You always have room for friends, right? All you need is a little bit of space, maybe like about 6 or 7 inches wide. That's all you're going to need to set up this beautiful little bluebird shabby chic welcome sign that says "Welcome Friends" in English and on the reverse side in French. In this piece, I've taken a vintage ceramic spoon rest and turned it vertical and put a shabby chic bow style sign on the top with a hanger, and at the bottom a cute little nesting bluebird. What a wonderful way to welcome your guests. You can hang it in a guest room, next to your back door or front door, or even on your porch. It has the traditional chippy white paint style and the beautiful messy bow at the top to give it that warm country feeling. Just a small little space is all you need to set this up, so it'll fit anywhere in your home, and it'll make a great gift as well. The total piece itself is 14 inches long by about 5 inches wide and about 1.5 inches deep from the wall. This item is available in the shop now, and you can find it by following the link in the video description below. If you want to see new items as they are available in my shop, subscribe to my new YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. I post all my new items here first, so that way you'll get a notify right when a new item is listed. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one.